This week we're working on another prefix. We're working on the sound un. Now, what is a prefix? Do you remember from last week? Remember that they are groups of letters that we put in front of a word that change its meaning. So here we've put unable, unhappy, unclear. But what does un mean? As the sun set over the mountains, we were unable to see it. So that means that we are not able to see it. It changes the meaning to not. Here's another example. My mom was unhappy that I didn't clean up my mess after I was done playing. So their mom was not happy. My brother took a bite of his apple. He tried to tell me a story, but it was unclear what he was saying. So he had food in his mouth, so we could not understand him when he was talking. So remember that prefixes change the meaning of words. So if we had the word happy, unhappy makes it not happy. So we have the prefix and we have the root of the word, which is happy. And one more example. We have clear, we add the prefix un, and it becomes unclear. Now you're going to head to the next video so we can do our paper together.